Okay, today we're looking at a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It's got 52,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's octane blue metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side here. Everything on the driver's side is well taken care of. Make our way across the back of the vehicle. Everything looks good here. And down the passenger side. Everything checks out really well in the exterior of this Mitsubishi. It's a 52,000 miles. All right, clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Let's take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay, and then middle console here, have USB and power outlet right here and some storage in there. Passenger seat cloth's in great shape. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. Okay, got another power outlet right there. Climate control area here. AM FM CD player here. Okay, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 52,771 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you radio display here. Okay, and the CD player, of course, up here. Alright, we'll pan down to the climate control area. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. I'm going to go ahead and walk around on that passenger side. We'll go ahead and open up the doors on that. That black cloth can be a little dark, and I want you guys to be able to see everything that I'm describing here. Alright, door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. No staining down there. Right. Back seat cloth. Looks really good. No issues at all back here with the cloth. It does have the center console that comes down. It's got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the back. Plenty of space back here. Carpet's in good shape. Got your spare tire there. Plenty of room in the back of this Outlander. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. 52,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Alright, it's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.